guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically add any videos to like your green outfit to create this really cool video. So select your video with you wearing a green dress or a green shirt. Any green outfit will work. Go to cutout and select chroma key, select the color picker and select the green on her outfit. And then actually it's more helpful if you add in your video first. I'm just going to add in this video underneath. And then let's go back up here and you're just going to adjust the strength. Not too much though here. And you're also going to add in some shadows to really bring that to life. I'm just trying to adjust between the strength and the shadow like that. And as you can see, now she has a really cool dress. You can then just replace it with anything you want. For instance, this one. And yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!